Hey Internet, this is Booker Mountain. That's Whiskey 7 November stroke November Sierra 117. This is a drive up. There's some radio stuff up here. And actually over there's an old Long Lines Tower. I'm gonna go check it out in a little bit. And something kind of interesting I found up here that I've never seen before on another summit is a strange pile of vacuum tubes. So I'm guessing someone just came up here and back in the day dropped a box of tubes out there. If you kind of walk around in this area, you're just going to find a bunch of vacuum tubes. Kind of interesting. Anyways, worked 40, 30, and 20 meters. 40 kind of sucked, 30 was better, and 20 was the best today, using the mountain topper. Yeah. Over there, you probably can't see it in the video, but that's another summit, although that's behind a fence, and that's an FAA radar site, so you can't get up to the summit. We tried, but as close as you can get is about a quarter mile away, unfortunately. Yeah, beautiful day up here. If we were looking down on the other side of this fence, we'd see Tonopah. Thanks for watching.